We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on an HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. So the first thing you want to do, your screen here, at the very top you can pull that down and there's a gear, your little settings gear. Go ahead and press on that. And then you want to scroll all the way down to Reports. It's the very last one. And then you're going to see Printer Status Report. Go ahead and click on that and then it should print your supply status page. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.